Alright, Ridge, you wanted to see the bird. There's one of them. He almost bit one of our guys' fingers off while ago. Hey, what are you doing? Easy. He's doing tricks, Ridge. Do the tricks for Ridge. You doing tricks? Huh? Can you say Ridge? You say anything? Hey. You gonna talk? Huh? No, I'm just gonna do tricks for you. Crazy bird. What do you think of that, Ridge? See if he goes upside down. Uh-oh. How's that working for you? That feels pretty good. Doing more tricks. Alright, Ridge, so there's the green one, buddy. There's another one over here they keep caged up. They said this is the mean one. Hey, bird, can you talk? Can you talk? Huh? Hey, 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 hey. Oh, bird fight. Alright, Ridge, well there you go. There's the birds that are living in the hotel with Daddy. Say goodbye. You guys gonna say anything? Alright. Alright, Ridge, I'll get you some more video later. Love you, buddy. Bye.